morning, everyone. How are you guys doing today? I'm doing all right, and I just want to say welcome back to my channel, and you're in the kitchen with Lynn. Today, I am going to make some pineapple jam or jelly. Some of you may know it as, but what I want to do is to cut my pineapple very small. I prefer this way. I like to see the chunks in my jam, or like I said, jelly, whichever one you prefer to say. Yeah, so I'm going to show you this process as to how I make my jam, and I'm going to use this jam, guys, to make my pine tart. So stay with me, and as soon as I'm finished cutting this, I'll get right back to you. The pineapple has been finely chopped. This is how I like mine, guys. You can blend it if you need to have a smoother consistency, but I like to see the chunks in mine. So I'm going to measure this pineapple just to make sure that I have the right measurement. So here I have 1 cup, 2 cups of pineapple. I'm adding here 1 cup of granulated sugar. I have some broken pieces here of cinnamon sticks, and just like 6 cloves of garlic. I'm going to add this right in here, and I'm going to bring this to a boil, and I'll show you guys how I'm progressing with this. So stay tuned. My jam is coming nicely. Look at this. I have it over low heat, and I'm going to give it like another 10 minutes, which would bring it up to like 35 minutes of making time. And because I do this all the time, I know. And it's not much pineapple, so it's gonna finish quickly. I can turn the heat up if I want, but I prefer to boil it over low heat. Here is my pineapple jam finished. I'm going to just add a little bit of vanilla essence. Yes, you can smell it here. I am going to remove the cinnamon sticks and the cloves, but I'm going to do that when it's cool. Put it on some biscuits, on a slice of bread, and you'll enjoy it. So thank you for coming in the kitchen with Lynn, and please like and subscribe. And I'll see you soon. Have a great Monday.